Today's episode I'm gonna show you how to properly assemble Ender 3 printer. The first thing I recommended is take everything out of the box, lay it on the ground, then you can easily assemble. It does comes with a demonstration manual. That user manual provides step-by-step pictures. At first, we mount the first upright. Use the appropriate screws. There's 2 screws goes under the bottom. Turn the 3D printer base according to your comfort zone. Then tighten the screw by holding primary upright on the other hand. Use the Allen key to tighten the screw according to the screw size. Make sure that you use the correct screw. After that, place the second upright and tighten the screw, same as the first one. Next step is LCD screen. Use the screw M5X8. We need to plug in the cord before we screw the LCD screen. Then screw it tightly using the Allen key, appropriate Allen key. Next step is to place the power supply. Using the M4X20 screw, place the power supply that the switch comes right side of the printer. Then tighten the screw. And the next part is Z-axis switch. You can see we assemble the Z-axis switch. There is a screw in itself, so you use the screw that is in the Z-axis switch. Slide the Z-axis switch, which the switch faces the upward direction. Slide all the way to bottom and tighten the screw. And the next part is Y-axis threaded rod. Place the rod into the Z motor and then using the Allen key, tighten that up. Place the Z motor into the base. Use M418P screw to tighten up the Z-axis motor. And the next part is placing the extruder. Using the X-axis assembly, place the extruder in X-axis assembly and tighten the screw. Use the appropriate screw called M4X16 in this part. Tighten up the screw using the appropriate Allen key. And now place the X-axis mount in the X-axis assembly like this. Place the X-axis mount in the X-axis assembly. Using the screw, tighten them up. Place the X-axis motor in a threaded rod like shown in the video. The mount should correctly place in the upright holders like shown in the video. And slightly push downwards so the mount occupy the upright assembly tightly. If you rotate the threaded rod, the X-axis should move. Place the Y-axis switch and tighten the screw as we done in the previous, that is X-axis switch. So the next part is belt. There is a metal strap in the both of the ends. Place the belt in X-axis assembly. The teeth should be in the downwards. Placing a belt is a bit complicated, so do it clearly and slowly. And lock the belt. They given some knob to lock the belt, so that's not an issue. After that, tighten the screw. Using the M525 screw, screw the top assembly. And then close it with the end cap so it looks good. And then using M58 screw that is used to tight the barrel holder metal strap, then place the barrel in that metal so it can hold the filament like this. So this is nozzle should be put there, you can see, and we can tie it with spanner and use this plastic strip to hold the wires tightly. And these are the pipes used to look good. This is not compulsory. So check all the conditions that are moving correctly or not. And now we are at the final stage. Plug in all the plugs. So you can see in this video. Make sure that all the plugs are plugged in correct connector. You can change the voltage according to your needs by using Allen key by rotating it. Plug in and turn the switch on to start the 3D printer. We are good to go. Enter. The motor will start to run. This will never stop unless you cut the power supply. At first, to check the calibration, go to Mains, Auto Home. Press the Auto Home. It will come to home. In the meantime, this is card reader and with a memory card. You can put the memory card like this. Just push once, it will hold the memory card. Then it shows that the card is inserted. So these are the remaining things that are in the box. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you.